Yumi everyone ibon blong communicate. Hemi how you him information mo all ting. Hemi how yumi join. More time disaster come, communication is have a minim life more dead. How now you miss have communicate with the more community lo time blow one disaster. Ikat 6 road blow folem.
VMGD is the forecast them so cyclone him stop come strong. Making sure so you stop inside one safe house or one safe place.
Step 1. Information blow pass him lol man from all danger more narvla something. Hemi important blong kasem everyone long community semak all sem water shelter mol narafala. Every man in needing information blow make him suwa say family all property mo community too is safe all time. Lo time blow one disaster time all man only no kasem straight information all is have a fright mo cross. More time all kata way all stop give hand ino kasem straight information lo community by all ino save give hand good. Step 2. Hemi blong askem all kata way disaster kasem all kata lo one way straight mo find him out one him only one them. Yumi save help him good all man time information blow give hand ikam long all kata more time yumi harem voice blong everyone. Step 3. All information where yumi karem long all man where disaster kasem all kata more tanem iko all true information by save give him straight need blow all different man. Good information hemi good blow make him wise decision blong help. More hemi take him yumi come long step 4. Every something hemi good time yumi share. Share him all information where yumi learn him lo community. Quick time more long every level. Make him say, help is strong, moi flow. Step 5, important. Yumi must make a one way people where disaster ikasem all keta italem lo yumi. Information by no save help him all community, suppose yumi no work hurry up long him. Good communication, emi no one way, more hemi no one time no more. Yumi must go ahead blow talk, more listen lol people where disaster ipin kasem all keta. Inform him, ask him, break him down, share more work for him to help him all keta we only need him help first one. Communication emi put him back life to all people where disaster I affect them all keta ikam good. Communication is save him life.